How to manage display settings in Windows 11 for HP notebooks. You can adjust the display settings on your laptop to change how your screen appears and to enhance your view based on your preferences. To access these settings, go to Start and then select Settings. Under System, select Display. From here, you can see your basic display settings. Under Brightness and Color, there are a few separate settings you can adjust. The first menu is Brightness. This slider allows you to brighten or darken your screen based on the lighting in your environment. Nightlight allows you to reduce the blue light of your display. This is especially helpful when viewing your screen at night. Selecting Nightlight opens detailed settings such as a slider to adjust the strength of the nightlight as well as a scheduled timer to choose when it activates. HDR is the next section and it stands for High Dynamic Range. By adjusting HDR settings, you can enhance the vibrancy and range of colors and light that you see on your display. These settings are especially helpful when playing games or viewing video content on your computer. The next display section is Scale and Layout. Under this section, there are another 4 options, beginning with Scale. Adjusting scale settings changes the size of the items you see on your display. Decreasing the scale makes items appear smaller, while increasing scale makes them appear larger. Display resolution allows you to adjust the quality of your display. Decreasing the resolution makes your display appear less detailed, while increasing the resolution enhances the detail and sharpness of your screen. Display orientation allows you to change the orientation of your screen. There are 4 different orientations you can choose from. These orientations are helpful when you are viewing your computer screen from a different angle than the traditional upright position. Multiple displays is the final option in this section and is used for connecting a separate monitor or screen. From here, you can wirelessly detect and connect with other displays. Related settings allows you to go to and adjust other computer settings that are similar to or associated with display settings. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.